This is Max Eternity, and I'm here with Rex Bruce. Rex is an artist. He's also the executive director and founder of the Los Angeles Center for Digital Art in Los Angeles. Rex is currently hosting at LACTA a show entitled Analog to Digital. Rex, could you tell us a little bit about the show?
Sure. There's kind of two arms to the ideas that came together to create this exhibit. One of the things that I've always wanted to do was to be able to show some work that's outside of my digital ghetto that I'm always in here. I enjoy other forms of art, even though this is my focus. And I also know a lot of other people with galleries and other collectors, printmakers, and so on, where I can get my hands on some very substantial works by artists that are very well known. So the other half of the idea is that many people think of art and technology as being separate altogether from other forms of art. In this exhibit, I hope to explore how the two forms are the same. What are the threads in terms of process, idea that are similar between the two forms?